before this video starts, there's a link in the description to PJ where I got all the parts for this video. I have not been told to do this, I'm just doing it off my own back. So please check out PJ and put in the notes that I sent you. Hi, welcome back to SGRS Guy. Today we're going to be changing the bulbs in the headlight. Sorry for the lighting today, we will be working in the shed as it is raining. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So there's one here, and then there's two little fairing screws there that you need to take off, and then you need to take the two screws that hold the mirror on, and it's completely the same on the other. So I've removed the bolts out of their location, so we can now pull it off. So this wiring here, white and blue, is for the high beam, and then the black and blue is for the low beam. So I will show you the wiring diagram, I will show you a picture now. So this is your high beam and that's your low beam. So here's the back of the nose cone. So to get these lights out, as you can see, it's just a little spring. Just push down and push to the side, lift this up and take the bulb out. Don't touch the bulb when you're putting the new one in, so I'll just get a new one. So I've got the new one now. So as I said, don't touch the bulb. You get your grease on the bulb, and then once it warms up it can start to blow. So that's the first one. So same thing for this. So that's our bulbs changed, now we need to put it back together. So if you're wondering where the blue one goes, it just connects to the actual light itself on a little tab. So as you can see, I've connected both sides up now, so we can just slot it back on. I've put it all back together now, so let's see if the lights work by turning the key on. So we seem to have high beam, low beam, switch high beam back on, and we've got high beam. I'm going to end it there now. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like. Thank you.